Hey Bill, I thought this would be a little simpler to do a quick video run through. Here's how you onboard your first employee. First step, go to heartlandpayroll.com and log in. Once you're logged in, you'll see your home page. You can click on Heartland Hire. And it should bring you to this page. Right here, you'll see this onboarding tab. Click on onboarding. And then right here is add an employee. So and then it's going to ask you, do we want to get personal information? Yes. W-4, yep. So you can ignore the offer letter for now. We're going to ask them the work opportunity tax credit questions. Right here, I don't know if the handbook is completed yet. If it is, we can upload it here. You can upload it here. Let me know if you want help with that. If not, just ignore it. So you'll press start, and then you'll just come through and put in the new employee's information. Email address is really important. Full-time. It's going to be a driver. This is just a scenario here. Starting at first, paid type, hourly wage. Salary wage is $9. Paid weekly. We'll press continue. So this is my demo. You will be able to send the email from this point. You should not receive this flag that's stopping me here. That's all you got to do. And then the employee should confirm that you've sent the email at this point. The employee will receive, they'll complete the documents, and then you'll get an alert when it's finished, and you'll be able to view the employee data, and you'll have check marks for everything they've completed. And then you'll see the eligibility verification documents. You'll be able to click those, and you'll see driver's license, social security. Yes, they match the social you provided me. You click confirm. That completes that onboarding process, and it'll move the data to payroll. It'll walk you all the way through. Let me know if you have any questions. Talk soon.